Windows 11's final update of 2025, KB5072033, is officially here. It brings several new features and improvements, but some users are running into the 0x80073712 update error. In this video, I'll show you what's fixed, how to install the update, and step-by-step solutions if your installation fails. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4DDig. Part 1. Improvements in KB5072033. The biggest highlight is the significant improvement in game stability. Gamers should see fewer crashes in titles like Battlefield 6, Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and Arc Raiders, and errors like GPU hung or driver removal are greatly reduced. Secondly, a white screen flickering issue that occurred when switching tabs in File Explorer has been fixed. Additionally, File Explorer now fully supports dark mode, so almost all pop-ups and dialogues match the system theme. The search panel, start menu, and transfer windows are more consistent, and you can now manage Windows Spotlight backgrounds directly from the desktop right-click menu. Since KB5072033 is a mandatory update, it is currently being rolled out in phases. Don't worry if you haven't received it in some areas. You can check if the update installation is complete in Settings, Windows Update. Usually, the update is finished downloading. You just need to click Restart and wait for your computer to restart. However, many users have reported extremely slow download speeds and getting stuck at error codes such as 0x80073712 and 0x800f0831. Don't panic. I will explain how to resolve installation failures. If Windows Update is slow or stuck, visit the Microsoft Update catalog, search for KB5072033, and download the version that matches your system. Run the installer manually. Many users report slow downloads, freezes, or errors like 0x80073712. Try to repair system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run c/scannow to check and repair corrupted system files. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health to repair the system image. Restart your PC and try installing KB5072033 again. Method 3. Use Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Then run Windows Update and follow the prompts. If you successfully installed the update, but it caused severe problems like a boot loop or constant blue screens, you need to roll it back. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click on Update History, scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. Find KB5072033 in the list and click Uninstall. Installing or uninstalling updates can sometimes lead to lost files. If that happens, 4DDig Data Recovery can help you. Open 4DDig and select the drive where the files were lost. Choose the types of files you want to recover. Start the scan, then click Recover and save them to a safe location. It's simple, fast, and can save important data you thought was gone for good. If you have questions about KB5072033, installation errors, or data recovery, drop them in the comments. I'll answer as soon as I can. If this video helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows updates. See you in the next video.